Welcome back. In Kotlin, the open keyword is used to declare a class, function, or property as open for extension. When you mark a class, function, or property with the open keyword, it means that it can be subclassed or inherited or overridden by other classes or functions in other parts of your code. This is a way of explicitly allowing other parts of your code base to extend or customize the behavior of the marked entity. In our example, I used open with classes. When you declare a class with the open keyword, it allows other classes to inherit from it. This is used in the context of class inheritance. Here, if we go back to the firing robot, we can see that there is no error. I am inheriting from the general robot and I'm passing name as its value. Again, for the super robot, I remove this and I'll extend from general robot and here passing the name. Also, for the ordinary robot, I need to extend from general robot class and remove the van from here, pass into the constructor of the general robot the name parameter. So in this class, I mark the general robot as open to allow firing robot, super robot, and ordinary robot to inherit from it and override walk and speak methods. Let's go back to our hello kotlin.kt file. I remove this class because I moved it to the general robot. Also, I need to create new robots. Robot, basic robot or ordinary robot equals to ordinary robot. Here I'm calling the constructor of this class and I need to pass the name of this ordinary robot. I'll name it as Max. If I type ordinary robot dot, I can access the turn on light. This is the function in this class. And I want from you to focus now. If I need to access other functions, I can access the name attribute and the walk and the speak functions. Here, I didn't define any speak or walk function, but this class inherits from the general robot. And if we go back to the general robot, we can see there are two functions, walk and speak. When you inherit from a superclass, you can access the superclass methods. So for example, the ordinary robot can access the walk method. If I run the program now, you can see that the robot is walking. Also, you can create another robots, super robot equals to super robot. And here I need to pass body, for example, its name. And here the super robot dot clean house. I need to access this function. Run the program and you can see the second robot is cleaning the house. Also, you can create an instance from the firing robot equals to firing robot, and here I need to name it as hero. Firing robot, I can access walk, speak, and fire method. So every robot has its own skill, its own function. Fire, clean house, turn on light. And among all robots, we have two basic functions, walk and speak. I can access fire, speak, and a walk. Run the program and you can see it's firing. So congratulations guys, we learned about inheritance, we learned about open keyword, we learned how we call the super functions and how we organize our code to get rid of duplicate codes from classes.